grasshopper. Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how to get done one of these ignition switches on a grasshopper. This is a 227 model, 27 horse Kohler engine on it. It's a dandy, it's a beast, 61-inch cut. This thing runs like a bat out of hell. I love it. So anyway, there's my part right here. I'm going to pull this thing out of the bag, see what we can get here. Bear with me. This is the first time. Don't lose your key. Alrighty, here it is, man. We got to take this bad boy and stick it in here. I already took this housing off right here. Goes up the ignition switch. There's a small hex deal that goes on top of there. You just unscrew that and then pull this apart and pull it underneath. Not a problem. There's a little washer that goes on top of it right here. I don't know if that's too close or not, but anyway. So here's what we're replacing. Basically that's going to stick through that hole right there. Okay, so first of all, there's a bunch of gunk on the end of this thing. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up with my little testy brush. I'm going to set you guys on the tire. Hope the wind doesn't blow you over. Shiny and shiny keeps the electricity rolling. Keep it clean. Alright, now we're going to take our part, that little bad boy. I'm going to stick you boys back on the tire. That's the old one. You see how kind of busted up and ugly that is. We're going to go ahead and just line that up. You can tell there's only one way to do it. You just snap it in there real good. Make sure it's got all the way to the end. You'll have a little bit showing underneath it, if you guys can see that. There is a little space between it, because that bar comes up on it. That's about as far as you can go. Alright, go ahead, kind of just clean up around here a little bit. See that? I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. You see how many hours are on it? This is the original motor. 1,739 hours. These things will run if you take care of them, I'm telling you. Alright, we got that all ready. Now let's put you guys back on the tire. Hang with me. I hope you can see me okay. So I got the new one on. And I'm going to go ahead and just make sure there's nothing in my way underneath. Tip her up and stick her through. Alright, see where I pop through right here? Come through there and make sure your wires aren't in a bind or anything. Make sure they're kind of laying down like they were. Stick that up there. Now we're going to grab our washer. You might want to brush that off a little bit too. Alright, let's see. I'm going to put it right there. Can you see that? Then we'll take the collar, which is the kind of plastic piece, and we're going to roll that right down on top. Yeah, you might have to hold the bottom a little bit. There we go. There we go. Get her good and snug. Alright. Yeah, I don't even have to do that. You just do it finger tight. Don't try to do that with a wrench or bust it. It's just a hard Teflon plastic piece. Alright, now we'll get I'm gonna do it. Oh. there it is. That little plastic piece that your key goes into. You just kind of pry it on and off. Pretty easy. Alright, so come up here. There you go. Snap her on, man. Then you go ahead and bolt up the rest of this, put your deal back on here. You're good to go, man. Oh, look at that. I don't know what's in there. It looks like a Pepsi. Anyway, had a good time. Peace out.